I'm sure all of you use AI these days. You open Claude or ChatGPT, you ask it a question, you get an answer, you copy the output, and then you go somewhere else, paste it there, ask your AI again, go back. So this is basically you do like a lot of back and forth, let's say 5, 10 times. What if instead of this, I tell you, you can tell your AI you want to do a specific thing and it does everything for you. You don't have to do anything. Well, that's not a chatbot anymore. That is what AI agents are. And by the end of this video, you will learn what are AI agents, how do they work, how you can build one, and I'll keep all of it super simple so that you can follow along. I have a surprise for you. In the next video, we will see how you can build your own AI agent from scratch. And before that, in this video, we will set the foundation for it. So let's jump straight into it. Let me describe something you have definitely done. I know because I did this too. You find a job you want to apply to, you open your favorite LLM, you paste the job description, you say, help me tailor my resume. It gives you suggestions, you copy them, you open your resume, you make the changes yourself, then you go back again. Now you ask, write me a cover letter. You paste the job description again because it forgot. You get a very generic cover letter. You tweak it and you do this 15 more times. Well, that's not AI helping you. You are basically AI's secretary at this point. You are the one remembering context, copy pasting, switching tabs, saving files. And this is not just about job application. Same goes for meal planning, writing emails. You're always the middle layer doing all the actual work between the AI suggestion and the real life. What if AI could just do the work? That's exactly what an AI agent does. And honestly, once you get it, you can't go back. You might have heard this term chatbot. In case you are wondering how an agent is different from a chatbot, let me break it down for you. So, in a chatbot, what you do is you talk, it responds, you talk again, it responds again. It's like a conversation, and the AI lives inside a text box. It can think very well, but it literally can't do anything. It can't open files, save a document, can't create a folder. Every action that you do, that's on you. Whereas to an agent, you give a goal, it figures out the steps itself, and then it takes actions. It does whatever is needed to make that goal achieve. And here's the thing most people don't realize the AI model inside a chatbot and inside an agent, it's the same model, it's the same Claude, same GPT 4.5. The only difference is not in the smarter brain, it is the difference in the tool it gave you. So, for example, you give it tools, the ability to read files, write files, search on the internet, access your profile, and you gave it a loop. So, it keeps on doing it step by step until it is done. Now, let's see how the agent loop works. So, every AI agent, it doesn't matter what framework it is, it runs this exact same loop. And it is so simple. The first step is think. The AI looks at your goals and decides what to do first. The step two is act. So in this step, it actually uses a tool. So let's say you want AI to be able to write a tailored resume for you. So in the first step, the AI will think, okay, user wants a tailored resume. Let me fetch that job listing. In step two, it will actually use a tool, let's say to fetch that URL. And step three, observe, it will read the results. Okay, it will say the job description wants React experience of 3 years and good communication skills. Then it goes back to thinking again. It's like, okay, let me read the resume now. Act again, observe again. It keeps on doing this in loop until it's done. Every AI agent you have heard of, ChatGPT, Devin, Claude Code, Manus AI, all of them run on the same loop. The difference is just what tools they have and how smart the model is. And the good part is, you don't have to build this loop yourself. That's where all these frameworks come into picture. And for this demo, we will be using the Claude Agent SDK. Claude Agent SDK is from Anthropic. So you know what's cool about it? It's basically the same engine that the Claude Code uses underneath. So Anthropic took everything that makes Claude Code powerful and said, this is the SDK, use it to build whatever you want. Now, if you're thinking, what capabilities does it provide? So the first is, of course, the agent loop. It's already built in, you don't have to code it. You just have to say, here's the goal, and it runs. The second is this built-in tools that you see to read files, write files, to do the web search, to run the terminal commands, to ask user question. All these included. You just pick which ones you want to use. Then you have sub-agents, basically specialized agents that will handle small tasks for you. It's like the main agent will delegate work and the sub-agents will do these tasks independently and report back the results. Then we have the MCP. This is your gateway to connect to the external systems. Another important thing is permissions. So basically, permissions allow you to control which tool your agents can use. All these are the capabilities that the SDK provides you out of the box. When you're using your SDK, there are three things that you need to do. The first is the system prompt. This you can think of like writing the job description for your AI agent. The second pointer is you have to give the list and the built-in tools that it can use. The third pointer is the goal, what you want the agent to do right now. That's it. You give these three things, which is system prompt, tools, list, goals, and then the SDK handles the loop, all the tools, the error, everything, and the code. It's like just a bunch of lines of code, and we will see all of that in the next video. With that, you understand what AI agents are, how do they work, and a brief overview of the Claude Agent SDK. Now, let's talk about what we are going to build in the next video. So we're going to build a job application agent. And the reason I wanted to build is because it's something that literally everybody needs and anyone applying to jobs right now could be using it. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one where we will build a job application agent. In case you want to build something else, let me know what is the first agent that you want to build. Stay tuned for the next video. That is going to be super fun. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.